Hey guys, quick video here. Just wanted to explain something real quick to myself so that I can come back to it later and study it. So I was doing geometric distribution and it finally clicked. So what it is basically the probability that the first success or the first successful attempt happens on a specific number of trials, say X trials. So what does that mean? It doesn't make much sense. So let's say you got a dice, okay? And you want to find the probability that the first 6 you get would be on the 4th try. So the first 6 is on the 4th try. So what would that look like? Well, first of all, we know that the probability of getting a 6 when you roll a dice is going to be 1/6, okay? Like usually. And you know that the probability that you're not getting a 6 is going to be 5/6, right? So what do we want to do here? We basically want to get not 6 3 times, then get the 6 on the 4th, which is 1 time, the last time basically. So instead of, doing 5/6 times 5/6 times 5/6 times 5, they apparently made this very neat formula, which goes like this: 1 minus p to the power of x minus 1 multiplied by p. And this perfectly translates to what I just did here, which is multiply these, suppose 1/6. So basically multiply the failures first and then the first success. So the failures are going to be the 5/6s. How many 5/6s we got? 1, 2, 3. So technically 1 minus 1/6 just gives you the 5/6. And how many trials do we have to get the first one on? We need to get it in 4. So if you got x equal 4, means x minus 1 equal 3, which basically does the same thing as multiplying the 5/6 3 times. So we do this, both sides. You don't have to do it this way, I'm just, arranging the ideas and, speaking my mind out, to be honest. And then what you do here, you multiply by the 1/6. That's the probability, the main probability. So yeah, there are obviously more variations if you jump into questions. I mean, I'm doing A-level questions. So there are trying to find the probability that the first attempt would be in, I think, fewer than 6 tries, 8 tries. It depends on the question, but it all revolves around this part, this formula. So yeah, this is the origin or the logic behind how this works. I hope I made sense. Bye.